In this video, I'm going to talk about AppOwls, so watch the full video. AppOwls Review. First ever artificial intelligence-assisted mobile app builder on Zoo. Breakthrough AI technology. Automatically creates stunning mobile apps for any business in any niche with just a keyword in 60 seconds. Selling damp. Profit from rabid buyers in restaurants, pizza shops, barbers, spas, decors, old age homes and hundreds of other niches. Create ultra-fast full-functional personal or business mobile apps using AI. No App Store approval needed. Get started in seconds. Easy to use. No coding or technical skills required. Enjoy free hosting. Use your own domain or our domain. Create both Android and damp iOS apps instantly. Free commercial license included to help you start your own mobile app agency. Sell mobile apps that are user-friendly and damp that can send push notifications. Send SMS with the push of a button. Sell anything via checkout with PayPal, Stripe, Square, Paystick and damp Razorpay. Turn apps into a paid fee membership model. Fully ADA plus GDPR compliant. One-time payment, founding members deal. Start your mobile app design agency now. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. Now you can create beautiful mobile apps using AI in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter keyword. Step 2. Answer a couple of questions. Step 3. Publish and damp sell, no matter what type of business. AppOwls is your one-stop shop for building stunning mobile apps quick and easy. Maria made $90,000 on Upwork, creating mobile apps for others. Max made over $500,000 creating mobile apps for other businesses on Upwork. Chris made over $100,000 on Upwork, creating simple mobile apps for over 225 people. Lou and Bojan made $76,000 and $133,525 for creating mobile apps for others on Fiverr. Serhian Damp Kanika, who only recently started building mobile apps for other businesses, has made over $10,000 and $60,000 both. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses.